This is a new game. Entertainment. We'll call it a wall of greens. So our local camp gave us quite a lot of lettuce and greens that was just not needed after camp, and I stuffed it all through the wire and they're happily pecking it down. So it's entertaining, and also they're getting their greens. So I just took it from the bag and stuffed it through, and they're really liking it. I didn't know if they would. Oh my gosh, don't eat my finger. But apparently this is a great game. So yeah, don't bite me. So you could do the whole wall. It'd be amazing. But yeah, it's a fun way to get breakfast.